So here in Canada, we have more than 4 seasons. We have winter, then we have first spring, and then second winter. And now we're just about to go into second spring. So that means we can take the winter tires off and put the summers back on. We don't need snow tires anymore. So I'm excited because I got my white wheels back on the car and they look so good. But with that means I got to go take a photo shoot, which I did. And it was a nice sunny day and they turned out great. So I'm going to share that with you guys today because it turned out pretty good. And then we're also going to talk about my future plans for the car this year that hopefully I can achieve. Okay, let's get the GoPro going and get some photos, you know. It's been a while. Up here, is that the right camera? Yeah. Up here, we basically lose 3 months of good weather. And so a lot of people do the same thing where they put their winter wheels on and, you know, kind of keep the car in hibernation. Or some will even just not even pull their car out in the winter, which, you know, if you have a nice car, don't blame you. But yeah, I don't have that option. This is my daily. So I kind of winter prep it. And it's looking like we're not going to get any snow for, you know, the foreseeable future. So yeah, summer tires are back on and I'm excited. All right, here we are. I got my Sony A7C with my 50mm, my go-to pretty much for photography. I am wanting to try out a 35mm though, so stay tuned. Eventually I'll get there. But yeah, money is funny these days. Exposed for the sky. Yeah, this spot always just looks so cool and the clouds look really nice today, so. Oh, actually I should turn my taillights on. The old Tesla app trick where you unlock the car and then lock it again. Get some wheel shots. Hopefully the car's not too dirty. I did go to work today and had to drive on a dirt road, so I give it a rinse. It's not terrible, but it's not great either. This guy looks really cool today though. Take a step back. These photos will look similar to a lot of the stuff I already have on my Instagram. If you haven't followed me already, go check it out. But I don't care. I just wanted to get some photos. I might even, the snowy backdrop, I might actually go up over there. I'm gonna actually do that before the sun goes down because I think that snowy background might be really cool. Yeah, that might be really cool. Someone tried to break into here. That's unfortunate. Oh, and the sunlight coming in right now too. Oh, actually, I forgot my trick. I gotta put the car, hopefully it's not too windy. Oh wow. I gotta put the car in car wash mode. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this actually is so sick right now because the way the light's coming in. Oh yeah. And we get like a bit of the mountains in the background. Wow. Actually, this is so crazy. Yeah, this looks crazy right now. I don't know how well you can see, but there's like some red rooftop things there that I don't want in the shot. Yeah, this is actually crazy right now. Exposing for the sky right now too, just because it's quite bright compared to because I'm in a shadow right now. So I'm gonna turn the car around now though and do the same shot from the other direction because this looks crazy right now. Okay. Oh yeah. Do the turn the taillights on. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Whatever. Okay. All right, I want to take advantage of this light because the way the sun's like coming in right now, you'll see when I walk into it, right? It's just hitting the car and it looks so cool with the backdrop. So I want to get some shots with the Pocket 3 before that goes away. And also some of you keen eye people will notice that my taillights currently are not the normal VLAN ones. One of them had like a leak a little bit and I had to take it apart and re-glue it and clean it out. So they'll be on soon. I've got them done. I just haven't got time to put them on yet. It takes a little bit of time and I wanted to get the wheels done first. So that'll be coming soon. That's part of the updates. But anyways, let's get some shots cinematically, or I mean, you know what I mean. Okay, I got some shots, but I think my sun is now gone. It's like just going over the hill, but the background still looks really cool. I might try to get a couple more photos just as the background changes, but overall, pretty successful. And I'm pretty impressed with this camera actually that I'm using right here, the Pocket 3. I was using the crop in zoom, like the second focal length that they added, and the shots look so cool. Like the parallax with the city behind the car looks so cool. So I'm really actually excited to use this more. It's a feature that at first I was skeptical about because it doesn't have tracking, which I really wanted for the for car rollers, but it still is really cool because I don't know, it's a different look, right? I know, so what do you guys think? I did a whole video on it. If you want to check it out, I'll leave it up there. I already talked about it. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna move the car back down to the other spot where it's a little bit quieter and not as windy. And then I'm gonna kind of go over a couple of little things that I still want to do to the car this year, hopefully. But we'll see how things go. All right, so what am I gonna do to the car this year? So I did actually recently finish my interior lighting. I got that done. I might do a bit more in the future, but for now, I'm happy. There was a video on that if you didn't check it out. Got the wheels back on. So like I've already gotten a couple of little things done here and there, but the big goal for this year is to get the car bagged. There's a kit by On Air that is a straight bolt-in kit for Teslas. My buddy got it a year ago. I actually made a video on it. If you want to check it out, I'll put it up top. It's been pretty flawless for him, so I think that's a good sign because he kind of tested it out for me more or less. But I like the look of the car being lowered, but I hate speed bumps and they're everywhere here. It's so annoying. You can never know if you take a wrong road and boom, you're in a situation where you're gonna be scraping the bottom of the car. So that sucks. The other thing too is I think Tesla's bagged when they're with no aero or anything, just the straight stock car bagged looks so sick. So I kind of want to do that. I think it would be cool. So that's the main thing. And then the little things that I still want to do is paint the calipers. I still want to get that done, but I just haven't had I need the car for a full 24 hours basically sitting, which I haven't really had an opportunity to do because I still daily it. Then another thing that I was looking at is I do not have the Matrix headlights. No, I'm not going to switch to the Matrix headlights, but what I can actually do is there's a module to make the DRLs for this for these older headlights full RGB. I think that's kind of cool, having like red eyes, so to speak. So I might do that too, but I think it's like $400 Canadian, so it's a little bit more expensive again, but I think that might look cool. So we'll see. That's ambitious. And then like a future goal eventually is getting the Thor exhaust system because it's fun. But by no means do I need that. So that one's last on the list. But yeah, that's pretty much the that's the goal for the car this year, is hopefully bagged, maybe the light thing, and hopefully get the calipers painted. We'll see if I can conjure up the funds for it this year, but yeah, let me know what you guys think, if you like those ideas or if you think there's anything else that'd be kind of cool. Yeah, thanks for watching. That's it.